Whoa, that is smooth as silk.
Pocket Theory.
What's going on, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from my home office here in Austin, Texas. What's going down today? It's time to talk about a new knife.
Stick around.
It's all on the reflexes.
Medic!
Don't you stick that knife in your leg.
Knife. That's a knife.
Like, subscribe, subscribe.
What's in the box?
This is the Rock FLOURITE from HX Outdoors. It is a liner lock EDC pocket knife with D2 blade steel and a titanium alloy handle. It is available right now for $29 on the HX Outdoors website, and it is also available on Amazon.com. There will be links in the description. Use my affiliate links and support the channel. We very much appreciate it. First and foremost, let's talk about this packaging. This is some pretty great packaging. It is a knife offered by HX Outdoors. It is made in China. Fucking deal with it, guys. Not everything can be made in America. Let's jump into this box. Oh, that's a very satisfying clasp. And wow, look at that. We've got our little HX Outdoors tag. Every man deserves an exceptional knife. I think we can all agree. Nice enough to give us a microfiber cloth with a nice logo. Little touches like that make it all worthwhile. This knife is available on Amazon. It has a current price of $57.99. Let's get this guy open and see exactly what we're dealing with. Oh my goodness. This definitely has a heft to it, and I don't mean like it weighs too much. I mean like it's got a decent weight to it. It feels very sturdy. Let's just get a first. Ooh! That felt very, very smooth. This is crafted from premium D2 stainless steel. It says it's razor sharp blade. Let's find out if it's, oh my God. Wow, guys, they might not be lying. Let's give it the old paper test here. Ooh, ooh, oh, that is smooth as silk right out of the box. Boy, that is really, really sharp. Compact for everyday carry. It fits effortlessly into your backpack, pocket, or glove compartment, and it is smooth folding action and convenient size, ensures quick access wherever you go. Titanium handle featuring a textured grip with an ergonomic feel. Might need to put a lanyard on this. It does have a hole. According to the website description, this is ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Perfect for hiking, camping, backpacking, fishing, traveling, climbing. The pocket clip is not reversible. That's not super uncommon, so I wouldn't count that as a necessary strike against it. If you're looking for something that you want to put into a pouch, this is a Data Crew water slider. You could see that this would slip right in there with no problems whatsoever. Perfect fit up at the top. If there are people out there who are fans of the Benchmade bug out, you're probably going to look at this knife and think that it's a little bit heavy. Will it cut the paracord? Yes, it will. And oh shit, that took no effort whatsoever. Very sharp, very solid. Does it cut the cardboard? Oh, yes, it does cut the cardboard with very little effort. What more do you want, people? So my first impression of this knife is pretty good. It feels like it would hold up very well to some rugged use. If you are looking for something to put in your kit for Titanium Tuesday, this titanium alloy handle with the textured grip is very nice. D2 steel is nothing to be ashamed of. Just because super steel exists doesn't mean that D2 steel sucks. This is easy to sharpen, easy to maintain an edge. As far as official certification from the International Institute of Inexpensive Items is concerned, I would have to say that the ZD15T from HX Outdoors is officially 4i certified. I'd say if you're in the market for a pocket knife and you only want to spend about $58, this might definitely be worth checking out. Guys, what more can I say? The look is tight. The price is right. The titanium is alloy. But you know what? That's good enough. If you're looking for an EDC knife in the $29 to $50 price range that you can round out your Tie Tuesday EDC set, This is a pretty solid option. I mean, ladies and germs, I am pretty impressed with this knife. It does all the cutty things. It came sharp right out of the box. Go check him out on HX Outdoors and tell him Sud sent you. When it comes to inexpensive pocket knives, just remember to think outside the box, be creative with your gear, and have fun with your EDC. This is Suds with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.